Get him, Honeycutt. Come on, don't be a sissy now. Oh no. Yes! That's it, that's all you got. That was anticlimactic.
Scared that I was gonna hit you.
Hey, look, there's a brake on the back. I had to learn that the hard way yesterday.
I'm very uncoordinated.
Full speed. Full speed astern. Hey, mother! Today we've got a lot going on. Tyler in the dyno room, finishing up the supercharger install on the Nick Pope build. It should make things interesting today. Let's go check on Tyler. TB, you started without me.
Oh, I get something done.
So, what did you do? Thanks, buddy. What did you do yesterday while I was gone? Or did you do anything at all?
Put all these pulleys on right here that you see.
Hold on, let me get up there.
See this bracket, these pulleys, this pulley. I started some of the wiring, working on spark plugs now.
Excellent. So I didn't miss much.
No.
Intercooler, bracketry, and everything prepped and ready to go?
Almost. It's close.
That sounds promising.
Uh-huh.
All right, I'm gonna go get my GoPro. I'll be back in a minute. I forgot my GoPro mount, so I'm gonna run get it. And I'm gonna give this scooter another shot. Thanks for hooking me up with a sweet ride there, TB. You again? Watch out. Real question is, what are you doing in here? Because it ain't break time.
Yes, it is.
It is?
Yeah.
No, it is not.
901.
Oh my God, time flies. Time flies when you're working hard, don't it?
Yes, it does.
Oh, Shasta. What's going on, fellas? Probably gonna die. Ah! Oh, God. You got any jokey jokes today?
Yep, I do have jokey jokes. I'm over here fiending to get on a motorcycle. Don't got me one. I've been wanting to ride real bad, so you know what I did this morning?
What'd you do?
I put me on some safety glasses, rolled my window down in my truck, hung my head out the window all the way here.
Did you enjoy that?
A little bit.
Yeah, not as good as the real thing though, right?
No.
Yeah, I hear you.
Ain't nothing as good as the real thing. Tyler
is currently changing out spark plugs. Tell me why we're doing that.
They are a colder spark plug. When you supercharge or boost the vehicle, it requires different kind of spark plug.
To burn fuel more efficiently?
Sure, yes.
Because you're taking in more air and colder air.
Yeah.
Is that fair? Not really? We'll come back to it later.
Simply put.
Dropping stuff now. Right now, Tyler is test fitting all of the bracketry for the intercooler before he bolts it in to make sure that everything is in the right place. Just as we suspected, he got the brackets backwards.
Yeah.
So that's why you test fit things before you bolt them in. You think you got it right this time? 100% positive. Awesome. Kicking me. You almost got it.
It is so close.
Work it, work it. That's it? Oh, roll tide. It looks good from up here. This is not the manliest music we got going on right now. right, so pretty much all we got left at this point is, I'm gonna wait for the train to pass. So all we got left is hoses and wiring, and then it'll be ready for the tune, right?
Yes.
Sweet. You're getting closer. Yes! Nice.
Sharp.
Nice. It just came right off there. Give me some more of that Discovery Channel hype.
You're supposed to be more hyping it up.
Tyler's giving this supercharger install a one final look over because one misplaced bolt or incorrectly calculated measurement, I totally screwed this up. Hey, turn your music down just a little bit. Just a little. Not a ton. There you go. That's good. A little more. A little more. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Give it the old Jimmy.
Yeah.
Nice. When it doesn't come to me the first time, it just goes downhill from there.
Yeah. Once you ask me about it, I know.
Yeah, I know it. You can't do it because it's like you get on the spot and start thinking too much. All right, supercharger. See, I already screwed it up. I didn't even get into my outro. Day 2 of the supercharger install on the Nick Pope truck build is complete, and we're done with install. I'm talking about the blower, the intake, hoses, wiring, coolant. Next time you see us, we're gonna be tuning and running this baby on the dyno, but right now, we're gonna go to lunch because we're both hungry. Yes, sir.
Like the most calming final steps of building.
Does it calm you down?
Hey kids, this isn't wait, hold on.
Tide Pods?
No. No, Sunny D.
Oh, Sunny D.